Take a look at these beautiful looking shops. What do they all have in common? They've got bays, they've got doors. They're nice looking. This one's in the Northeast. You can see from the salt on the road. And, this one's in Vegas. Beautiful shops. Mm. So to an extent, how do the customers see them? In the customer's mind, we all do the same thing. Every single one of us does the same thing. If you all have a really nice looking building, what's going to set you apart from everybody else? The shop all has a building, doors, technicians, support staff, service advisors. So to an extent, you're all, I hate to say it like that, in their mind, they're all the same. Here's what I found out with my customers. That's what they thought. All the customers, all shops are alike. Because I was asking, why do you guys come do business with it? And they articulated, it's the way you greet us on the phone. It's when we show up to your shop, you either greet us on the service drive or open the door for us when we come to the door. You walk us up to the counter. You introduce us to your technicians. Now, here's a question that I'd like shop owners to think about. When's the last time you took one of your customers on a tour through your shop and through the way, just introduce them to the technician that's working on the vehicle?